Good morning, students. Welcome to the class 3rd Social Studies class. Chapter number 1st, the universe. In my previous classes, I have told you about the universe, that it is a very vast space and we can see that vast space with the help of a telescope. There are thousands of stars in an universe and they are found in large number of groups, and each group is called galaxy, forms a galaxy, and the universe consists of many galaxies. What is the Big Bang theory? Many years ago, scientists believed that there was an explosion of a huge fireball, and due to that explosion a huge fireball was created. It slowly cooled down and formed very small particles, and due to that small particles the universe was born. Many stars and other heavenly bodies and our planet Earth was also formed in that due course of time. The solar system, the sun, the planet, their moons, and many other objects such as comets and asteroids are together the solar system or the sun's family. The sun is the center of the solar system, and the earth and the other 7 planets move around the sun. What is the sun? The sun is a big ball of a burning hot gases which glows like a bonfire. It is a source of heat and sustains life on Earth. The energy received from the sun is called as solar energy. What is the planet? The planets are 8 in numbers: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are arranged in an increasing distances from the sun. They travel around the sun in an oval path which is called orbit, and at different distances from the sun. They travel in the same direction but with a different speeds. Mercury is the smallest planet while Jupiter is the largest planet. What is the moon? Moon is the closest neighbor. It is much closer to us than the sun, and it is much smaller than the sun. But the sun and the moon appears to be same in size. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. Just as the planet moves around the sun, same way a satellite moves around the planet. The moon takes 28 days to complete its one revolution around the earth. The moon also spins on its own axis. It doesn't have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. So now students, this was about your previous classes. Now we will move to the new topic of the chapter, that is the twinkling of stars. At night we also see many twinkling stars in the sky. When we look at the sky at the night, we can find many of the twinkling stars in the sky. Stars are a big ball of fire that gives out heat and light. A star is a big ball of a fire which gives out heat and light. We can see a very bright star in the sky at night. It is pole star. When we look at the sky, we can find that a very bright star is there in a sky, and that star is called a pole star. It is very useful star for travelers as it helps them to find the north direction, and that pole star is very useful to the travelers as it helps them to find out the north directions. Our galaxy is a large group of stars. It is also known as Milky Way. Our galaxy is a large group of stars which is called as a Milky Way. It is believed that many years after the Big Bang, the sun and the other planets of the solar system were created near the edges of the Akash Ganga and or Milky Way. Many years ago, it was believed that due to the Big Bang explosion, the sun and the other planet of the solar system were formed or created near the edge of the Akash Ganga or Milky Way. Constellation. Some group of stars forms pattern in the sky. These patterns look like a figure of animals or other things. When we look at the sky, we can find a large group of stars form pattern. A pattern is formed in the sky. These patterns look like a figure of animals or other things. Such patterns are called constellation. That patterns which we see in the sky, that are called constellations. For example, Ursa Major appears as a group of stars in a shape of a great bear. For example, there is one pattern which is called Ursa Major. It appears in the sky as in the shape of a great bear. It is one such pattern of a star. Ursa Minor and Orion are also some famous constellation, and there are some more constellations. For example, Ursa Minor and Orion are also the examples of a constellation or a pattern. These are also the famous constellations. So students, I hope you have understood about these two topics which I have taught you today, and with these two topics your first chapter is over. So students, please learn the important definitions of the chapters, like what is the sun, the solar system, the planet, what are the 8 planets, what is the moon, what is constellation, how Milky Way was formed, and please buy your books and copies and do all your homeworks now in your fair copies, as now all the shops are being opened. So please buy your new books and copies. Thank you students.